In this video, we're going to write a decimal as a fraction. So if we have a problem like this that says write 0.85 as a fraction, the first step is to use a place value chart. And here is one. So this is the ones, and after the decimal, we have the tenths and the hundredths. So this is the ones, this is the tenths, and this is the hundredths on this number. So put the numbers in the chart. That's how it looks. At this point, we could see that 0.85 is 85 hundredths. So what does that mean? That is the same as writing 85 over 100. 85 hundredths is the same as this. So it's already in a fraction form. But notice that both the numerator and denominator can be divided by 5, right? 85 can be divided by 5, and 100 can be divided by 5. So 85 over 100 is the same as 85 divided by 5 and 100 divided by 5. So we're just dividing the numerator and the denominator by 5. And then 5 fits into 85 17 times, and 5 fits into 100 20 times. So we're showing this number in its lowest terms. 85 over 100 is 17 over 20 in lowest terms. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video until you understand it. And don't worry, anyone can do math. If you want, you could take a look in the description. I have links to others videos of mine that are similar to this. And also you could download the ebook and follow along this exact problem in the ebook.